All right, everybody, in this one, we got to generate a transponder onto a for a Ford Ranger, an older model. I think it's like a 2006, 2007 model. I just read the transponder ID, which is a 4D plus 63. So what we're going to do is go back. We're going to generate a transponder. We're going to look for the 4D ID 4D ID 64. Oh, where is it? ID 46. Ford. Let's go Ford Ranger. Oh, I'm too far. Ford ID 4D. All right, so all we're gonna do now is just stick our chip inside and press generate. And we are gonna go complete. And now it is done. All right, so now what we have to do is go over to the vehicle and program these two keys to it. And I'll bring you guys along for that. All right, so I am back into the vehicle now. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna press back. I'm gonna go back, press the home button. We are gonna switch and make, you guys aren't even on screen, boys, huh? There we go. All right, so now what we're gonna do is pick the Ranger because that's what we have. I cannot see it. There it is. We have keyless go flip keys. It's not a flip key and it's not a keyless go. So, we'll just take a flip key. 2007, 2011. All right. This is not a flip key style, but we'll use this. It should still work. What I'm going to do is just insert the key in the ignition now. All right. And we'll continue. Turn on Bluetooth. I don't even think the OBD2 port is working. It doesn't look like it because my tool is not lighting up. Oh, man. Okay. So, before we could do anything, we got to try to figure out what is going on with this because there is no power down at the OBD2 port. All right, so that was just a blown fuse. So let's see if we can get in here again. Connect to any device. Perfect. All right, let's see if we can't. Where did I put my key now? Let's put it in my pocket. All right, let's get in here. Oop, 2007, 2011. Gotta make sure I have all the key. We're gonna go a lost all keys, and then we have to do a parameter reset after that. I don't even know if this battery's good, but anyway. Oh, what's this? Starting communication failed. Please check the following conditions. All right, so what I think is that this is an older vehicle. And for some reason, yeah, I don't think that we're going to be able to do it like this. Let's go South America. No, not at all. Ford, and there's only 8 volts. Oh, man. Okay, I'm going to get a booster on this, and I'll bring everybody right back. All right, let's see if we can establish a connection. And we probably won't because I put a password onto it now. Damn it. Let's put in my password and I'll be right back. All right, let's get back in here now. Hopefully everything works. We'll go VIN, auto detect. I really hope Hotel fixes this soon because I didn't purchase this tool to have to be connected to the internet all the time in order to use it. Like, it's pretty ridiculous, I'm going to be honest with you. You know, if you purchase a tool and knowing that you have to be connected to the internet for it to be used, then that's one thing. But if you take and you purchase a tool and they change the settings into it afterwards, that's not right. All right. So we're gonna go implied scan on this one. DCM does have 3 codes. So most of those are probably going to end up being for the immobilizer system. Onboard readiness test not completed. Yeah, so we have a PATS. I'm not too worried about the PATS because we have to take and program these keys. So we're going to go start. At least 2 keys are required. We'll click yes, turn the ignition switch to on. It is on. Okay, entering the system success. Security access. That's good. Erasing key. See, they have 3 keys in this. So we have to erase those, that's for sure. Perfect. The following steps need to be completed for the engine to start. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on with the first key. 3 seconds later. All right, so we're going to go and try that. So, we'll go like this. All right, let's put in the new key. This one is good also. Okay, let's see if it starts. And it does not. Control unit. Key code remote system mobilizer. Remote DTC. Can't communicate with the vehicle ECU. That's not good. Check engine light. Oh, I have the key off. That's my fault. Add key. Number of keys. It's probably going to say 0. Number. Oh, I do have 1 key. So. Okay. But I need 2 keys for this to work. Oh, erase key. All keys lost. So let's try this again. Yes. So we're going to leave this go and we're going to try again. All right. Even though there is 1 key that got learned. All right. So we'll let this go and I'll bring you guys right back. All right. Let's get back in here. It's been 10 minutes. Let's go. This one, erasing keys, please wait. Number of keys is 0. All known keys have been erased. You must now program a minimum of 2 keys. The engine will not start until you complete the following steps. Perform the following steps to learn the new ignition keys. Turn the ignition off. Okay. Turn the first key in the on position for 3 seconds, then remove. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Turn the next key in the ignition for 3 seconds, then remove. 1, 2, 3. And press OK. After you finish all necessary functions, confirm that the learn keys can start the engine. Verify the engine continues to run for at least 5 seconds. So we did all that. And it does not start. So I don't know if there's another issue with this or not. But let's see. See, that theft light is on. I put this key in. And the theft light comes on. Learning complete. Number of keys. Let's see. So we have both keys in the system. And the vehicle now starts. Okay, so I just had to exit the system, all right? So, that is good. All right. The second key starts the car. Theft light goes out. We are done. So, X works for a key transponder and a key. I'm just going to put a little screw into here. And then I'll finish up with that. And then hotel to program it. Everything worked out fine. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. And as always, I will see you guys next time.